Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you an easy way on how you can fix sold out on Shopify if you are using AutoDS. Now, the first thing you need to do, of course, is to log in into your Shopify dashboard. I'm going to do that right now. Now, after you log in into your Shopify dashboard, you want to click on products, okay? So after you click on products, you want to select the products you have a problem with or showing out of stock, even if you have inventory on AutoDS, okay? So what you need to do is you want to check all the products you have this error which is out of stock, and then click on bulk edit. Now after you click on bulk edit, you want to click here on columns in the top right. Now after that, you want to scroll down and then find here continue selling when out of stock, and then track quantity. That's all you need to do. Now what you need to do is you want to uncheck, for example, if this continue selling when out of stock. If it's all checked, you want to uncheck it and check it again. Okay, that's what I'm going to do right now, and check everything. And then what you need to do next is you want to check again everything. Here the track quantity, if it's checked, you want to uncheck it. If it's like this checked, you want to just uncheck track quantity. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look like. Track quantity, it should not be checked, but continue selling when out of stock, all these boxes need to be checked. After that, you want to click on save. Okay, so after you click on save, I'm going to go back. Now what you need to do is you want to close your Shopify and then open it again. If this error is still there, then it's probably something to do with your shipping rates. Now what you need to do is you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then click on shipping and delivery. Okay, so after you click on shipping and delivery, you want to click here, it says create a custom profile. Okay, so here just name this profile whatever you want. Customers will not see this, don't worry about it. Just for example, new profile, and then after that you want to click on this plus button that says add products. Now after that, you want to find all the products that are showing out of stock, and after you find them, click on done. Now after you find these products, then scroll down a little bit. It says here add the zone and rate to ship from these countries. You just need to click on add shipping zone, and then name the zone again, new zone, for example. Like I said, customers will not see this. And then you want to check these boxes here, the countries or the regions, and then click on done. Now the last thing you need to do is to add the rate. You want to click on add rate, and then the custom rate name, it should be standard. And then here the price of the shipping, I'm going to leave it 0.00 free shipping. Click on done, and then you want to click on save in the top right. Now check, like I said, close again your Shopify and check if the problem is solved or not. Probably this is going to fix it for you. That's all you need to do to fix the sold out on AutoDS. If this doesn't work, you want to go to your AutoDS and then relaunch the product, remove it, and then import it again from AutoDS. This will help you solve the problem immediately. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial. Drop a like and see you in the next tutorial.